live in San Jose, Costa Rica, and you're looking to meet new people, buy and sell things, or perhaps get a new job, Craigslist in Costa Rica allows expats to buy about anything. It's a place for people to post notices for jobs, housing, items for sale, services, things buyers want, community happenings and events, and yes, even personals. We'll cover that at the end of this blog. While Costa Rica's Craigslist isn't specifically housed in a city like New York, San Francisco, Vancouver, etc., it does focus on San Jose, since it's the capital city and population busyness cultural center of the country. New in town and looking for a good way to bring the community together and meet people, Newmark sent out an email list of local events and notices to his circle of friends. These days, Craigslist is now the 7th largest website on the entire World Wide Web for United States residents, with 50 billion page views every month and 50 million daily queries. Although it started in the US, Craigslist now spans the globe, with more than 700 local Craigslist sites in 70 countries, making it the 33rd most visited website on the entire planet. In fact, they use the domain registrant org to signify the non-commercial philosophy of the company and reinforce their mission to public service over profit. Also, Costa Rica's Craigslist has a dynamic international flair since so many people are coming and going from abroad, with the country receiving about 2.6 million visitors each year. So if you're looking for a concert, festival, or just have a certain Saturday free and want to see what's going on, Craigslist can help. This section is broad, encompassing community activities, childcare, groups, musicians looking to connect, people selling or giving away pets, volunteering, and much more. In fact, a huge part of the site's activity revolves around offering services in exchange for plata, cash. Helping people find a place to live, as well as offering accommodations, is one of Craigslist's most active forums. What's more, the housing section lists office and commercial space, parking and storage, and sublets. Of course, buying and selling property, land, and vacation rentals is also a big part of Craigslist in Costa Rica, and it's a valuable and credible place to find listings and get great information. Here are the categories listed by alphabetical grouping: antiques, appliances, arts crafts, at-viewed snow, auto parts, cars, trucks, CDs, DVDs, cell phones, Clothes-Act, collectibles, computers. The barter section is one of the fastest growing on Craigslist all around the world. These days, everything is online, making it more efficient and effective for people looking for employment to contact those companies that are hiring. It's not just entry-level or menial job listings that are posted on Craigslist in Costa Rica. That's why the Costa Rican Craigslist offers links for help, facts, fake, abuse, legal, avoid scams, fraud, and personal safety tips. You'll also see access to their privacy policy and Craigslist company info, account information for user logins, a Craigslist blog, and a discussion forum. So, Craigslist has an ingenious flagging system that allows community users to be the first line of defense against bad content. They don't even need to log in, and the person who raised the flag remains totally anonymous. But in Costa Rica, where prostitution is perfectly legal, the Craigslist personals is even more of a hotbed, pun intended. For adult fun, open up any of these, and you'll have to click that you're above 18 years old. Relaxing massage and more. San Jose, Sexy Grinnet, seeks master owner, to Form 25, Pacific Coast. Pick, and that is all the information we can give you on Craigslist in Costa Rica. Please share with friends